Do you feel left uncertain when you try to get information about something and it leaves you stressed out and exhausted with ideas spinning and buzzing in your head? Feeling uncertain can leave you with feelings of anxiety and unease in your life and in your relationships. Well, what if there was a way to replace those feelings of stress and uncertainty with calm, creative, joyful energy? There is an easy way to do it. But if you don't know why it's happening, you won't know how to change it. Well, this is why it's happening. The world around us is full of information. Scientists say 2 million bits of information every second. George Miller, a Harvard psychologist, determined in 1957 that we can only process about 134,000 of these bits in any moment, or about 7%. He called it the magic number 7, plus or minus 2. He discovered people could only recall 7 things in short-term memory, plus or minus 2, and then asked to repeat back words, shapes, images, again the same number, only recalling about 7 chunks of information. It's no wonder why we feel uncertainty. If we're only getting 7% of information at any moment, there's 93% more information out there. That means we're just not getting the full story. So, our minds are forced to generalize, delete, and even distort the information we do get because we don't have the whole picture. Why does this create uncertainty? Well, we know something's off, but we don't know why. And it's that uncertainty that causes us to feel stress, anxiety, and then exhaustion. Particularly because it happens not just in one moment, but in the next moment, and the next, and every moment. But it's very important to know that these feelings are just a story our minds are being forced to make up to try to make sense of what's happening. The frustrating thing is when we focus harder to try and solve this problem, that creates more stress and more exhaustion because we're shutting out more of the world to focus closer. That uses more energy and it limits the information we take in. What if there was a way to become free of the cause of this daily stress? A way to be open and receptive to the completeness of information around us all the time, thereby engaging more certainty, effortlessly, and with dynamic, relaxed energy and clarity. There is. Rama Arya calls it 360-degree open space, an awareness that brings an elegant and effective way to neutralize the causes and effects of this stress while simultaneously activating creativity and joy. Thinking, learning, studying with this awareness can dramatically change the experience of your life. Rama calls it 360-degree open space because it's about the awareness of and experience of the space around us at all times. It's easy because that's something you already do. Experiencing space is a skill you already have. For example, look at the room you're in right now. Notice the space in between the furniture. When you walk through the room, do you bump into the furniture? Of course not. You naturally are aware of the space around them without even thinking about it. Now, notice the thoughts in your mind. Think of each thought as if it were separate, as if a bubble in a bathtub. Sense that there is space in between these bubbles of thought. Now think of moving through your mind between your thoughts, just like you walk through a room in between the furniture. After a moment of experiencing the awareness of space this way, do you feel differently? Has your breath calmed? Is your mind more peaceful? It's because when you think of the space around us, there's nothing to push back or resist against, so your mind instantly relaxes. And when your mind relaxes, your stress is released, and you instantly return to a spontaneous, natural, balanced harmony. Rama Arya's 360-degree open space discusses tools like these to let you feel and sense the creative, infinite potential that is instantly available to you all around you at every moment. You'll find your thinking is clear, your energy dynamic, and you're instantly available to the 2 million potentialities around you in every moment. For more information and a free MP3 to release tension, tools and techniques to improve your energy, and start you on a healthier, happier life, click here or go to neutralizestress.com.